Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check for unoriginal content violations on Facebook. And here's how it is done. If you are managing a Facebook page and receive a notification about unoriginal content on a post, whether it's a video, photo, or text, I will guide you through how to find and address this issue. To begin, open the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or go to facebook.com. You will need to switch to managing your Facebook page. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select the drop down at the top right to switch to your page. Once you are managing your page, go to your page status to check for any violations. Tap your profile icon again in the top right. Then tap the gear icon or settings and select Page Setup under the Audience and Visibility section. In this section, you'll find the page status option. Tap on it and you will see the status of your page. If everything is fine, it will say something like no issues or no violations of community standards. However, if there are violations for unoriginal or reused content, you will see them here, and you will be able to tap and start the appeal process. You can also view other details such as whether your page is recommendable or eligible for monetization and track your status based on these criteria. This section gives you control over potential violations and let you manage appeals. And that is everything you need to know about how to check for unoriginal content violations on Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.